Hello and welcome to the unboxing of the STRIFF Folding Desktop Stand for mobiles, tablets and MP5. From the box you get a fair idea of what this mobile stand is supposed to look like. Let's quickly take a look at what other information we have. Over here we have some specifications. It says that the folding desktop stand for mobile phone, tablet and pen electronic product support. This product uses the environmental protection ABS plus aluminum. Fine workmanship, quality and reliable, convenient and simple, beautiful and practical. Portable size is foldable and easy to slip into your pocket. Some manufacturer information. Okay, some information over here. So this particular mobile stand is capable of swiveling 90 degrees and has a maximum height of 35 millimeter, and it can swivel 90 degrees from top and bottom as it's shown over here. We will take a look. Here we are. This is it. This is all you find inside this box. This is the folding desktop stand, as you can see. I'm going to see if I can make this work. Oh, there you are. It's actually that simple. Just pull it and that's it. There are some height adjustments that can be done over here. So yeah, this is it. This is the maximum it can go. As you can see, this is the maximum height that it can go. Now you can place basically, I have a smartphone for now. So you can place a smartphone over here and then view content like this. It swivels 90 degrees like this. So you can come over here. It swivels 90 degree this way and it swivels 90 degree this way as well. And that's it. This is what you find inside the box. Thank you for watching.